Okay, this is Lucy. She's feeding her baby. This one's trying to look for the nipples. They are so cute. We are late, Lucy, so she could eat. She or he. See how cute they are? Aww. Aww. You're bigger, you stay over here. And you're so tiny, you stay here. Right here, nipples. Good girl. Right here, baby. Come on. Come on, you need to eat, you're smaller. Sometimes you have to put the mouth to where the nipple's at. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. The nipple's here. Right there. Good boy. Aww. Good, Lucy. Good girl. Good, good, Mama. It's okay. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl, Lucy. Lay down. Lay down. This one's smaller. Don't know what you're doing. Okay, bye-bye, Lucy. Be good, Mama.